Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these glass jars, these dried flowers I got from Amazon, and some tumbling blocks from Dollar Tree. I start by gluing 14 of the tumbling blocks together with wood glue. I then glue together an additional 4. I use my square to get them all even. Next I'm taking wood glue and putting some on the center 4 blocks on the longer set and gluing the other 4 on top and setting that aside. The jars, these are wee yogurt jars, and I'm taking these flowers that I got from Amazon and placing them all around each of the 3 jars. Next I take Mod Podge and apply that by dabbing it on with a craft sponge, and I cover the entire outside of the 3 jars. I use my heat tool to dry the Mod Podge completely. It'll seal on the flowers and give it a frosted look. Next, I'm taking twine and adding that to the tops of each of the jars, tying it in a knot and cutting off the excess. And then after I do that, I made 3 twine bows and hot glue them to those knots. Next, I take mineral chalk paint by Waverly and paint the tumbling blocks that I had glued together. After that's completely dry, I just set the 3 jars on there and place in some LED tea lights. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.